Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 8.6 question number 6. Namita travels 20 km 50 meter every day. Out of this she travels 10 km 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? Suppose here you have taken a distance A to B. Let us take this distance A to B. A to B, this is 20 kilometer 50 meter. This is 20, this is 20 kilometer 50 meter 50 meter. Now out of this he travels 10 kilometers. Suppose take another point C. This is C. Out of this C travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus. Here A to C, the distance between A to C, this distance is 10 kilometer and 200 meter. That means, and the rest by auto, right? How much distance does she travel by auto? You have to find this distance CB. That means you have to subtract 10 kilometer 200 meter from 20 kilometer 50 meter, right? Let us subtract, but you have to change this distance into one unit, right? Suppose the unit is 20 kilometer. We are solving like 20 kilometer 20 kilometer 50 meter 50 meter. We'll change it this into one unit, that is into kilometer, right? Therefore 20 kilometer plus 50 meter plus 50 meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter, or you can say that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer by 1000 kilometer. That means to convert from meter to kilometer you have to divide 8 by 1000, right? Therefore here we are dividing, you see this one, that is 20 kilometer plus 50 meter, that means 50 by 1000 kilometer, 50 by 1000 kilometer, right? 1000 kilometer, right? Now it is 20 kilometer plus 1000 divided by 1000, that means 0.050 kilometer. If we add this one, we are getting 20.050 kilometer. That means you have to change it into kilometer first, right? And another distance is 10 kilometer 200 meter. Another distance is 10 kilometer 200 meter. Here also we change the unit, that is 10 kilometer plus 200 meter. That means it is equal to 10 kilometer plus 200 by 1000 kilometer, right? That is we are getting 10 kilometer 10 kilometer plus 0.050 200 kilometer, that is equal to 10.200 kilometer. Now we have to subtract 10.200 kilometer from 20.050 kilometer. Here you is subtracting, here you see is subtracting here, that is 20 point, that is 20.050 subtraction of 20.10.200, 10.200 200. We are subtracting this one. You see, this is 0, this is 5, here it is 8, carry 1, 9, carry 1, 2, 9.850 kilometer. This is kilometer, this is kilometer. The answer is also kilometer. This is the answer, 9.850 kilometer. What is the question? How much distance does C travel by auto? That we can say, therefore C travels 9.850 kilometer. C travels 9.850 kilometer by auto, right? By auto. This is the solution of question number 6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.